Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Wiser. Today I'm going to teach you how to add music on your Instagram story. So first of all, you want to make sure you have Instagram installed on your phone. How to check it is to go to App Store here and then just type Instagram right here and then click enter. It should show up on the very top that see here, Snap Instagram. If it shows open, it means you have already downloaded on your phone. So the next thing you do is click on it, and then here it comes your phone, basically your Instagram homepage. And then you see there's a bunch of icons like you see down below here. So in order to create a story, you want to click on the middle one. And then you will see probably like 4 words right here. It says story, reel, live, and post. So you want to make a story, so you click on story. And then from now here you can choose either to record a video or you can use the photos and videos from before. So I clicked on a video from before because I pre-recorded a video. Oh, maybe right here. See, that's my video right here. So this is the most important step right here, is to add music. All you need to do is check on here onto the third sticker right here. You see that's a sticker. Make sure to click on it, the third icon right here. After you clicked on it, you shall see a page like this. And then there's a whole bunch of panels, mention, location, all type of stuff. And then you will find one that's called music right here. Or you can just type on the search bar, you type music, and it should show up here after typing music. And then you clicked on it, and then it gives you choices to pick for your music, the one that you save, or you can browse new music right here. But now I don't have any music, so I just clicked on browse. After you browse, you can see like this whole bunch of music, or you can like R&B, pop, bright, whatever music there. Or you can just like type on the music you want. Like just say I want something like Imagine Dragons right here. Yep, and then you show up a lot of songs right here, and then you can pick anything you want as the background of your story. Let's just say I want to pick Bones as my songs right here. So after you have select the music right here, there's a time slot where you can select what time do you want to start playing this music. Let's just say the whole song has like maybe like a few minutes or something. So you'll probably want maybe the clips, the audio start from 20 seconds, and then or maybe you like this part of the lyrics to be placed on your story, then you do that. And the second thing is that you can choose that lyrics to be played, like as displayed on the screen, or you can just set it as like an album or something right here. Or you can just play the lyrics. So that's a lot of options that you can choose. So for example, I just want to post the lyrics because I think it looks cool. And then, yep. And then also you can choose the color of the text, which is really cool, I think. Maybe I want green, something green, okay. And then, yep, that looks good. And you can hit post. And then, yep, now you have music on your story and everybody can see it right now. And yep. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you guys find this video helpful, make sure to drop a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you find this video helpful. I really appreciate it, you guys. I'll see you next time. Peace.